walking up my hill for exercise. Started juicing again today. All I've had all day was juice. I think I'm gonna have an apple too. Because you can juice apples. I'm just gonna eat it. Hey, cut it. Girl, girl. Think she loves me. Ah, girlie. Ouch. Ah, girlie. I need more. Yeah. Oh. Come on. Let's keep going. Okay, so I want to pick me an apple. Twist and twist and twist and twist. Twist and twist and twist and twist. And it comes out. Golden delicious apple. And they're golden and they're delicious. Woohoo! Let's check on the chickies. What's going on in here? So the 4 chicks and the mama I had in there, I was feeding them and she got out one of the sides and I couldn't catch her. And now I think all the chicks are lost. She can't find them. The mama's running around. And it all could have been prevented if I wasn't here alone. I'm just sick. I'm just sick of being here alone. Sucks, man. You know, I got puppies that I need help getting, and I'm here alone. I'm tired of being alone. I'm tired of living alone. Been alone most of my life, and I'm here on the side of this mountain all by myself, trying to make a living, trying to raise animals. Tired of it. Tired of being alone. I want some help. I want someone to come and live with me and help me and love me. Where are you? Where's my help? Why is there like people starving and overcrowded and so much of the world, and I got this whole mountain and I'm all here by myself and I'm struggling because I'm here by myself. So tired of it. Shit. Okay, so one of the dogs get one of the chickens? I don't know. Golly's tied up, so probably not. Go around that way. Oh, they're all here. Good, there's one inside. Go that way. Woo! New puppies. All right, let's go put them in the here. Bring that. Let's go put them in the. Come on, girl. Seven puppies. Born on 10/10/12.